Windlass ready?
Windlass almost ready. Needs to be warm.
Is it cold out yet? Ask Freya.
Freya, is it cold?
Freya. Why is it so difficult? That's a good question. Are hoisting the mainsail with all of our reefs in for safety because we have a whole 8 knots. Now he's shaking out some reefs. We're gonna live on the edge a little bit in our 8 knots of wind. Actually, I don't even think it's 8 knots, I think it's 5. So we are going to be there at between 2 and 4, we think. Or 6, I don't know. We're trying to catch the Gulf Stream to get an extra knot or 2 to shoot us up to West Palm Beach. So that's the plan. And when I thought I've seen it all, there's a submarine. I'm gonna try to zoom in so you can see it. Is that a submarine?
These are 2 Coast Guard vessels. That's the Navy,
Okay.
US Navy submarine. It's moving at 16 miles per hour.
Crazy.
Call sign Delta. Underway on engine.
Huh? We are just miles away from our destination, 6 to be exact, and we've slowed down to 3 knots. The wind is against us right on the nose and we're motoring. Somebody's fishing out here though. It looks like they have like helium balloons on kites. It looks beautiful. Seems like a lot of work to catch a fish, but I don't know. It's a beautiful day. It's been a long day. And I am very excited to be back where we have all of our resources and tools so we can whip this boat into shape. And I kind of feel like the Bahamas are calling. I don't know. I've been staring at them for a long time and I think I want to go. So let's get the upholstery in this thing, the new rudder, little spit shine, and let's get sailing.
Should have got up earlier, as you said.
I know.
The wind turned at 12 o'clock and it is almost 5 o'clock. So for the last 5 hours, beating directly into it.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend this time in your head.
Okay. The work has begun. Hello there. First of all, Joy made me this swimsuit, and it has Atlas on it. Woo, that's cheeky. She put my whistle from Ocean Brass on this little piece of leather. But more importantly, in sailing land, we have the generator running and we're getting out the sail right because we're going to fix the sail cover. I'm pretty stoked on this.
Do we need the foam blade?
And here is the genius behind all the madness.
Is that one that's why?
Yeah, this will be perfect.
Oh, this thing's so heavy.
Okay. Alright, let's do stuff. Hey, you want me to drop this leaf?
Better?
All better. Thank you. Okay, so quick and dirty fix.
All right. Quick and dirty.
How she likes it.
What's that mean?
I just went into reverse. Right here is
Neutral?
yeah, this is neutral. And so it's got a spring, so it always wants to go back to forward, but if you want to adjust it.
So there you have it. We are actually able to fix our sail cover in the boat. And when I say we, I mean Joy.
You'll be doing it too. No time.
When you make the next one.
Yes.
But you're gonna have concentration face.
Yeah, but I don't want to sew over my finger.
So you in the correct uniform for doing
Yeah, I'm in my parrot suit.
with your whistle?
Good job.
As you can see here, clearly is not flush. I can't move this further up without modifying it, which I think I'm just gonna make a little indent here, indent here. I just need to move the back up by about that much.
I'm Aubrey from Sailing Miss Lone Star. Thank you guys so much for watching. While Searle fixes up the table outside, I'd like to share with you some very exciting news. Well, at least I think it's exciting. We're building a crow's nest, and it's going right above the first spreader on the main mast. So there's gonna be 2 rings that are put together by a few other stainless steel bars, and Bob's your uncle. We're gonna have a crow's nest. Hopefully we can fit 2 people, if not, dibs. So Joy is here and we are finishing the upholstery, and spoiler alert, it looks pretty good. So as you guys know, or if you're new here, I bought a pirate ship and she is a gorgeous 51-foot Formosa. So what we've done so that we can save up enough money to put a new rig, standing mast and running rigging on her is we got a 37.5 Hunter Legend with a broken rudder, and we're doing a boat flip. And she is so much fun. We're thinking about taking her to the Bahamas. We are just about finished. Now, what you just watched was a couple weeks ago, and you have Aubrey in real-time land. So we are getting ready to pop over there, and it's been really fun working on this project. It's just been some little things, and it's been really cool watching her come together. So if you are interested in taking a look at this boat and purchasing it, you can send me an email at misslonestar@gmail.com. So the other thing, the next thing that's coming up with the Formosa is that we're going to be flying back out to Washington at some point to pull the chain plates, because we want to build our boat and our rig on a solid foundation, and chain plates are extremely important. So we're looking at doing titanium chain plates through Caligo, and we will oversize them and over-engineer them, because why not? If you're starting from scratch, may as well do it better. It's still extremely, extremely cold on that side, at least in my opinion. So we're gonna hang out here in the warm Florida sun until hurricane season, and then head back over to Washington and get that old girl in the water. So The masts and rigging and all of that jazz will be coming from Sweden on a boat, and we're just waiting for them to arrive, and the moment that they hit the ground here in the States, we will be heading back to Washington to erect the mast. We're gonna have an erection party. It's gonna be amazing. Hopefully COVID will be done doing its thing and we can have an erection party, because that sounds amazing. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time on Sailing the Sloan Star.